Hi, this is Joey Rendon again. We're back at the project in Springfield. Alright, so we're in the foyer mudroom area where you see the plywood here. That's actually going to be the front door. We got it boarded up for now until we get the new door in. So this is the kitchen, or what's going to be the new kitchen. Waiting on the windows, you can see we're going to have a nice big triple window unit there with the sink looking out the front of the house. The range and the refrigerator are going to be on this wall here. We're going to have a nice big island in the middle. And cabinets pretty much coming around the two perimeter walls here. Alright, this is the hall bath. Hall bath pretty much is staying very similar to the layout that it was. We're going to have a new pocket door that enters into the hall bath from the hallway. We're going to have double bolt vanity here, toilet, and a tub. Where it was before, so not too much changing in the hall bath. All right, so now we're going into another bedroom that we've created. This was kind of one big room, the master, with being able to bump out in the front and making the master bigger towards the front, we were able to create another bedroom in the back here. So this is another bedroom. It's going to have a closet. As you can see, we built a new wall to divide the existing bedroom separate from our new bedroom here. Alright, so we're coming into the new master bedroom. You can obviously see our addition. We had bumped forward a little bit to be able to make enough room to create the second bedroom on the back of the house. This is the master bedroom. We got a closet over there, as well as two closets here on the side of a window that's going to be installed with a window bench below it once we get the windows in. And we keep making our way over here. You can see the pocket door framing for the entrance into the new master bathroom. You can see we started some of the plumbing work yesterday for the bathroom, both bathrooms and the kitchen. We just started plumbing and HVAC work. We're going to have a big double vanity sink here along the front wall of the addition. Our shower is going to be here with a shower bench. There's going to be a knee wall here to divide the shower and the toilet with a fixed glass panel above. And pretty much that's it for the master. And you can see that we got the addition framed up. Pretty much framing is complete, waiting on the windows and doors. Taking a little bit of time with the coronavirus. And you can see the roof materials there. We're going to be getting the roofing installed here very soon. Waiting for the plumbers and HVAC guys to do all the roof penetrations before we get the roofing up. One other thing we got on the exterior done is the brick installation here. You can see not much brick, but we are going to be we did put the brick, and as you can see as we come around the side, we tied into the existing. The brick doesn't match necessarily, but we weren't intending to match it because we're going to be painting the brick completely on the whole house. So we were just trying to get the characteristics of the brick to match, not necessarily the color, because it'll all be painted to a new color once we're done.